A father wanted to train his sons in a certain value. Do not judge before time. The father had 4 sons. He sent each one of the sons to go and see a fruit tree in different seasons. The first son went in winter, and he saw that the fruit tree was ugly, twisted, and bent. The second son went and saw the tree in the spring season. In the spring season, the tree was just about to bloom. The leaves were coming through, and small buds could be visible. The fruits were just coming. The third son went in summer season, and he saw that the tree was blooming further. More greenery was visible. Several fruits were beginning to form. It was just blossoming. And then the fourth son went in autumn season. And at the very beginning of autumn, he saw that the fruits were luscious, ripe, ready to pluck. The entire tree was filled with hundreds of fruits. The fruits and the weight of the fruits made the tree and the branches bend down low. It was in full bloom. Each of the sons came and reported to the father how the tree looked in each season. Then the father called all the sons together and asked them to explain to each other. Each son was convinced that the tree looked exactly the way they had experienced it. They could not believe the experience of the other brother because it contradicted their own experience. The father intervened and said, "Dear sons, I wanted each one of you to realize that if we do not allow a person to go through the entire experience of seasons, we may judge that person simply based on that limited interaction. Just like there are these seasons, winter, spring, summer, and autumn, and depending on the kind of season you saw that tree in, the tree actually displayed and demonstrated a certain quality. Similarly, our life will be filled with prosperity and adversity, challenges and great accomplishments, happiness and distress, pain and pleasure. And therefore, it is not fair to judge someone simply based on a limited time span which he has spent in a particular experience. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, "Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkhadaha agama apayino anitya tantitikshasva bharata." Krishna says to Arjuna, the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons, they are akin to the appearance of happiness and distress in our life. We will go through multifarious experiences, but when we go through happiness, we should be rest assured that just as seasons change, this experience will change and a certain kind of distress may appear. When that distress comes, we should not become so morose, depressed, distressed, and hopeless. But I hope that just as the seasons change, this distress will also go and the next round of happiness will come. Therefore, it is important for us not to judge someone, something, some circumstance based on a limited interaction, but have patience to know that when we go through the entire cycle of experiences, everything takes time to manifest its true color. And therefore, we should not come to a conclusion before time, but have patience and allow the true reality to manifest itself at the right time in the right way.